Hey guys, this is my first YouTube video, so it would mean a lot if you liked and subscribed. Want this? Smooth X shake. Let's do this. The first thing you want to do is to prepare your clips, then pre-compose. After all that's done, first effect to add is Sapphire curve. Drag and drop to your clip. Follow my settings. Click the clock icon on the Shift X bar effect to create a keyframe. From where you want the first shake, move a couple of frames forward and increase the values to 120. Move to the last frame and take it back to -100. You should have something like this. Ease the frames by clicking F9. Open the graph editor. Copy my graph. Add Sapphire curves to the second clip. Do the same settings as the previous clips. Reduce the value of the Shift X effect to about -150 before keyframing. Go a couple of frames forward and increase the value to 120. Move 10 frames forward and create the last keyframe at 0. Ease the frames by clicking F9. Open the graph editor. Copy my graph. Play the composition to see your progress, to make it a lot better. Select all keyframes from the first clip. Hold Alt while holding the first keyframe. Drag it towards the other keyframe until you have something like this. Adjust to your preference. To make it more eye-catching, create an adjustment layer. Cut it to be a couple of frames over the last 2 keyframes from your first clip and ahead of the first 2 keyframes from the second clip. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search and drag the BCC Directional Blur effect to the adjustment layer you created. Change the blur amount to 0. Create a keyframe. Go to the center of the layer and increase the value to 120. Go the last frame of the adjustment layer and set it back to 0. Once that's done, ease the keyframe. Open the graph editor. Copy my graph settings. Adjust to your preference. play the clip. And you're done, guys. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so I can be posting more videos like this.